This is an image by the USGS on May 18th, 1980 at 7 a.m. showing Mount St. Helens, and it says totally clear with no activity. And then that one large earthquake occurred and Vancouver, this is it. St. Helens is a very active volcano and possibly in our lifetime will erupt again. Rock-breaking earthquakes are common at active volcanoes like Mount St. Helens. This type of earthquake is produced when the rocks fracture as magma is forcing its way toward the surface. Earthquakes can also be made as magma beneath or within the volcano pressurizes the magma and the surrounding rock. But both types of earthquakes show that magma is on the move beneath or within a volcano. Scientists monitor the location and depth of these earthquakes to determine whether or not they're the kind that signal an eruption. Deeper earthquakes, around 2 miles beneath the surface or deeper than that, can be a sign that magma is rising beneath the volcano. While shallow earthquakes, the ones that are about 1.2 miles or shallower, are a sign that magma is moving inside the volcano and closer to the surface. The closer the magma is to the surface, the more likely that an eruption may occur. Because these small magnitude earthquakes are occurring at depth, they are generally believed to be those associated with the pressurization of the magma transport system, which is likely caused by the arrival of additional magma, a process known as recharge. So what about all that recent activity? Well, according to the Cascades Volcano Observatory, over the past several months, small magnitude earthquakes have been located at Mount St. Helens. But the seismicity is similar to what was observed at the volcano from periods such as July to December 2023, and no significant changes have been observed in other monitoring parameters. There's no change in the alert level at this time. Mount St. Helens remains at the normal background level of activity. Here's a graph of USGS data on earthquake events per week on Mount St. Helens. As you can see, really just a slight uptick above the normal. From February to June of 2024, about 350 earthquakes were located at Mount St. Helens. Over 95% of these earthquakes were less than a magnitude 1. That's too small to even be felt at the surface. The number of earthquakes per week appear to have reached a peak in June at about 38 events a week. But if we expand the scale and look at the seismicity between 2008 to 2024, we can see that the activity is consistent with the normal background levels. Thus, the USGS says Mount St. Helens is green, or normal. And with that green light, I'm going to head back out and explore Mount St. Helens and the surrounding Cascade volcanoes so I can continue to bring you more volcanic and geology adventures here at Let's Go Geo. I'll see you guys on the next virtual adventure. There's Mount St. Helens behind me. Just layers of pumice here from the volcanic eruptions.